Most people don't fail at buying a home because they can't. They fail because they don't get clear on what they want. So they wait and wait and wait, and before they know it, years go by and nothing has changed. In this video, we are building your home vision blueprint. Basically, a clear vision that is going to move you forward. I always like to say, when your vision gets clear, decisions get easier. So I'm gonna call out the real problem, okay? A lot of your dreams are vague. Most people are gonna say, oh, I want a house. Okay, that's too vague. When your goal is vague, your decisions are gonna become inconsistent. Some examples are gonna be scrolling on Zillow with no plan, thinking about what are your issues, maybe credit is your issue, right? So you're just constantly thinking about fixing your credit, but you never do anything about it. And probably a lot of you are guilty of this. You just say, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it soon, and soon never comes around. And I want to reassure you that that's not a motivation problem. That's a clarity problem. So let's fix that right now. So in this moment, I want you to grab a sheet of paper, grab a notebook, grab a pen or a pencil, and I want you to answer the following questions. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer. This is for you. So take a deep breath and let's get honest about what we actually want. So I'm gonna go ahead and guide you through the blueprint questions. Question number 1, how long has this dream been in your heart? How long has this been on your mind? Has it been years? Has it been months? Has it maybe just popped up this past week? Whatever the answer is, like I said, there's no wrong or right answer, but I really, really want you to internalize that. How long has this dream been in your heart? Question number 2, why do you want a home? And I don't want a surface answer. I want the real answer. Is it for you? Is it for your family? Is it for your kids? Is it to have a place that is finally just yours? Or I don't know, maybe you want the opportunity to paint your walls green, or whatever the answer may be. Why do you want your home? Question number 3, who is this for? And here are some examples you can say. It can be for yourself. It can be for your kids. It could be for your family. It could be for your future. Really, really dig into your heart and answer this question as honest and as vulnerable as you can. Question number 4, what are you most excited for inside your home? Walking in after a long day of work, hosting family, having your own space, recording studio, painting studio, whatever it may be. What are you most excited for inside of your future home? And question number 5, what are you tired of dealing with right now? I know a big one, rent. Rent is going up, and the payment that you are giving for rent, the amount of money you're spending for rent, could easily be a mortgage payment. So I know that's something that a lot of people can relate with. Not feeling settled or living in someone else's space. What are you tired of dealing with right now? So this right here is your blueprint, not just a list of random things. When things get hard, and they will, this piece of paper is what is going to keep you going. So let's talk about what just happened in this video. You didn't just watch something. You actually did something. And I want you to, first of all, be proud of yourself. I know that it seems a little bit silly, and you're probably thinking, what is this gonna do for me? But I congratulate you, because you are one step closer towards your dream home. You sat down, you got honest with yourself, and you wrote down the vision that you have for your life, for your future home. And most people never do that. Most people just wake up reacting to life and not directing it. But you just got clear, you know what you want, you know what you like, you know who you're doing this for, and you know why you're doing this. Now that you have your piece of paper and you wrote all of this down, I want you to do me a favor and place it on a wall, on your fridge, somewhere where you are going to be able to see this piece of paper every single day. This is going to be your reminder. So you just built the vision, but vision needs a roadmap, okay? So I know this was a very amazing exercise. When things get hard and you feel a little bit discouraged, this piece of paper is gonna be able to just inspire you and remind you why you are actually doing this. But a piece of paper, is not gonna get you approved. It's not going to fix your credit. It's not going to go out and find, those down payment assistance programs you need. So we need to move on to the next phase, which is creating a roadmap. And that next step you need to take is becoming part of Home Qualifiers. Home Qualifiers is not just a credit tool. It's a full home ownership roadmap built around your specific situation. It looks at where you are right now and figures out exactly what it is you need to do next. So what it is going to do is take a look at where you are right now and figure out exactly what next step you need to take to become mortgage ready, okay? So that can be a few things. The number one thing people fail to realize is how important credit optimization is in the mortgage process. So most of the time, that's the first step that, you need to take. You need to see exactly how your credit is looking. You need to see how you can optimize it. And Home Qualifiers has the capacity to help you out in that aspect. It's going to help you out with credit. It's going to help you figure out down payment assistance programs that you may qualify for. It's going to help you connect to a lender. It's going to help you with budgeting. As we hang out more throughout the weeks, I'm going to be able to explain and go into further detail. There's just so many amazing tools embedded into Home Qualifiers, into this amazing tool. And I think the best part about it is that there is no perfect Home Qualifiers customer, right? Wherever you are, wherever you stand with credit, wherever you stand with, maybe I have a down payment or maybe I don't. Home Qualifiers is going to help you and tailor a roadmap specific to your situation. And the amazing part is it's only $50 a month. So I know a lot of you have probably paid a lot more for credit optimization, maybe, booking a call with a financial advisor. I know you have spent more on other things before, but for $50 a month, this is going to be the closest thing you have to somebody in your corner working towards getting you a home. And one more thing, if you did this exercise and you feel comfortable sharing, I would really, really love to see your blueprint. Please drop your vision in the comments down below. Tell me what your dream home looks like. Tell me who you're doing this for. Tell me what moment you're most excited for inside of your future home, because this community that I'm trying to build is basically just going to be us figuring it out together as we go. And your story might be exactly what somebody else needs to hear today. I will see you next week. Your dream home is finally a clear vision, and soon it is not going to be just a dream anymore. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next week. I'm Giselle. I forgot to introduce myself at the beginning of the video. Okay, well, if you made it this far, I'm Giselle. Hey, but thank you so much for joining in, and I cannot wait for next week's video. Bye.